Hello everyone, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. I'm just going to take a little tour around our cafe and show you some of the things that we sell here, okay? And we've got quite a few new things. So we've got supplements. Most of these are supplements that I am taking or have taken in the past. I want to give you an example. What I do for my blood pressure, if I have a problem and notice my blood pressure is up, my heart's going to fail, I will take like a lot of things to bring it down, but then once it stays down, I try to eliminate things because I don't want to be taking 30 different things, okay? So that's what I do. That's why I carry a lot of these supplements, although I don't take them all at the same time. And what I did here, if you look at it, I've got the name of it, the price, which I can promise you my prices are super reasonable. And then below the price is what that supplement is for. So for example, magnesium citrate is for muscles, bones, heart, stress, blood pressure, blood sugar. Okay. The other thing we've got a clearance rack. When I want to get rid of something or whatever, I'm just going to put it here. Once it's gone forever. Let's move over here. These are my favorite chips, guys. These are Cuevos Chips. They're egg whites. They're chips that are made with egg whites. So if you're craving a crunch, this is how you do it. If you're craving chips and salsa, this is how you eat chips and salsa and you don't cheat, okay? We've got chocolate chips. We've got the mixes. You need to watch my video, the Healthy Treats Market Mixes Benefits, okay? I just made a video to explain each ingredient that's in here and the benefits of that ingredient. These are literally what God used to reverse my heart failure, okay? My heart's failed 5 times now. This is what's kept me alive, okay, guys? Let's move on. We've got Simply Delish Jello and pudding. I love this Jello and pudding. The nice thing about this is it's all clean. For example, this Jello is sweetened with stevia, and they color it with vegetable coloring like beet juice and things like that. So that's what they do. And the pudding is also on there. It tastes like real pudding. You can't tell. They're so easy to make. All you do to the Jello is add cold water, hot water, and all you do to the pudding is add 1 1/4 cups almond milk and mix it. That's it. Okay, we've got a cookie mix here. What's new is our hot chocolate. I just made a new hot chocolate. All this is basically is sweetie and cocoa, and I put a little bit of other stuff in it to make it blend. All you do is you microwave some almond milk, heat it up, and then dump a tablespoon of this in your almond milk, and you've got delicious hot chocolate that's keto friendly and healthy. Okay, we've got seasoning. A lot of my recipes say Htm Seasoning. That's what this is right here. This stuff is better than anything you're gonna find on the market. It's really the magic that makes everything taste good here. I even put it in like my macaroni salad that I made. I put it in everything. What I love about it is there's nothing bad in it. There's no MSG in it. There's nothing bad in it. It's just basically salt with a bunch of vegetables. And it tastes better than anything else on the market. Okay, guys? We've got our noodles. Don't forget, okay, I tell everybody keto noodles are nasty for the most part. Okay, like some of them that they sell are too mushy and don't taste good. And other ones that they sell are too rubbery and they don't have that noodle texture. This brand is as close to noodles as you're gonna get without being real noodles, okay? This is as close to rice as you're gonna get without being real rice, okay? This is as close to ramen noodles as you're gonna get without being real ramen noodles. And I've got a recipe book to show you how to cook all these noodles. So I recommend if you buy the noodles, make sure you buy the seasoning because all my recipes call for the seasoning to go with the noodles. We've got egg white protein powder. Okay, this stuff, I love egg white protein powder. I like it even more than whey. We've got whey on clearance for $3 for 8 ounces, but this is $10, but you get 14 servings of this. It gives you 11 grams of protein. The purpose for this is to put it in smoothies. So if you make a smoothie in the morning, you are gonna wanna buy egg white powder because egg white powder adds protein to your mix, and the nice thing it does in smoothies, it doesn't alter the texture and it doesn't alter the taste. You can't even tell it's in there, but you're getting your protein. And egg white protein is much easier to digest than another kind of protein. So if you're overweight or you've had bariatric surgery or anything like that, you're gonna wanna use egg white protein over other proteins, okay? We've got our cookie mix. If you go on the website, in the recipe book, you can see all different kinds of recipes you can make with this cookie mix. We've got cereal, we've got small and large. So the small one is $11, the large one is $16, and it's actually double the amount, so you get more for your money with this. Okay, in the large we've got the cinnamon, and in the small we've got the fruity rice, cereal, the peanut butter chocolate, and the chocolate. And these are all, remember, these are all keto friendly, and they're all for clean eating. Let's move on, guys. We've got these marshmallows. The guy that came up with the cereal is a diabetic. And the lady that came up with these marshmallows has MS. And so she loved marshmallows. So these marshmallows are made with MCT and collagen. They're super healthy. I make s'mores with them, but my customers put them in their coffee and stuff too. We make our own peanut butter. All I do is add pink salt and my sweetener to this peanut butter. It's delicious. It's definitely a hit. Oat Fiber is something we sell. I tell everybody this is like magic. It fills you up on no calories. You just put a tablespoon in some hot water with some sweetie, and it fills you up a lot more than coffee for hours on no calories. You can also put it in the mixes if you like, especially if you're on a budget. That's the way to fill you up. We will be having a big line of toffee, but it's coming in. We've got all our mixes in bulk now. So if you want to purchase any of the mixes in bulk, they're already here. There's cinnamon, pumpkin, carrot, peanut butter, Baker's Basic chocolate, garlic, and skinny. We've got our sweetener, guys. This is the magic that makes everything taste so good. This is why I feel like my mixes are set apart from everything else. It took me 6 years to come up with this and perfect it. And I think once you do Sweetie, you'll never go back to Swerve or Truvia or any of those other ones, because the nice thing about this is it has no aftertaste. It's the closest thing to sugar that you're gonna get without being real sugar. We have our hormone balancing keto bombs. Although this is a hormone balancing bomb, it looks like brownie batter. It's made with organic coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, almonds, and walnuts. Okay, guys, we've got our peanut butter bombs. I use my own peanut butter that I make to do these bombs, and then I also add chocolate. I make the chocolate with organic coconut oil, and this is why you lose weight all day long. You're looking at, just take a look at what all I've been showing you so far. Everything is so clean. It's all grain-free, it's all gluten-free, it's all keto-friendly. It's what you need to stay healthy and lose weight, because you don't want to lose weight by just cutting back on your calories. Because if you eat bars that are full of like additives and preservatives, they line your digestive system. So then even when you do eat healthy, your body can't absorb the nutrients because your digestive system's been lined with bad stuff. So you want to learn to eat clean and just make this a lifestyle, okay? What else do we got here? We've got Oolong Tea. Oolong Tea, if you drink 4 cups a day for a week straight, it eliminates the free radicals in your body by 50% and it shrinks fat cells. So you want to make sure you get some of this, okay guys? We've also got lemon juice. I love this lemon juice. This lemon juice is made with fresh organic squeezed lemons. That's what's nice about it. So I love this stuff. This is what I make my ginger detox with. Okay guys, the other thing we got is we got a whole cafe menu. You can eat comfort food here, guys. You can have a grilled cheese and it's only 3 net carbs. And it's only 300 calories. Like, that's not bad for a grilled cheese. Most grilled cheese sandwiches are like 500 and 600. You can have a turkey burger that tastes like a Whopper for 350 calories. A normal Whopper is about 800 calories. So as you look through this menu, you'll notice that you're eating the same amount of food. It's actually gonna fill you up more because it's full of nutrients and it's clean. And you're eating half the calories you normally would. Okay guys, we've got so many different things. The last thing I want to point out is if you turn around and look at our bundles, you want to look at the bundles. You want to live on the bundles. You save a lot of money when you get the bundles, okay? The weekly meal kit is something that you definitely want to look into because everything is already made for you. Especially if you're someone who's in a rush, who doesn't have time to cook, you want to get a weekly meal kit. It's like getting Meals on Wheels, but it's all grain-free, gluten-free, no sugar. Literally, the most you have to do is microwave, that's it. You get 6 turkey burgers, you get 8 wraps, you get 7 mixes, and you get 7 bombs or bars with it, okay? So that's your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. The variety bundle gives you a variety. I'll show you what you get in the variety bundle. You get 6 of these noodles, you get the sweetie, the oat fiber, you get the mixes, you get the bombs, you get the bars, and then you get the tortillas with that, okay? The budget bundle for 150 bucks, you get 4 of these 20 serving bulk mixes, okay? So normally it comes with 4 20 servings of one of these, chocolate, a baker's basic, a skinny, and a garlic. You can pick whatever 4 you want for $150. And then the family bundle is basically the variety bundle and the budget bundle put together, but you save a lot of money. You save even more money getting the family bundle. Okay guys, I just wanted to give you a tour through the cafe so that you know what you're getting. And we love you. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Healthy Treats Market. Join the Healthy Treats Market support group. Subscribe to Healthy Treats Market on YouTube. We're also going to be on Instagram and TikTok. And be sure to go online, healthytreatsmarket.com. You can see the cafe menu there. You can see the recipe book there. And you can also place orders there, okay? Thanks for watching. God bless you.